Welcome to Python Data Camp. Today we're going to install R on the Mac, and then we'll follow up by installing RStudio for the Mac. And then in our second lesson, we'll have an introduction to RStudio. So the first thing we do is we go to the Comprehensive R Archive Network, which is at https://cran.r-project.org. R for Mac OS X. So what we want to do is go to the latest release. Today's July 11th, 2019, and the latest release happens to be R.3.6.1. So we click on the package, open with installer default. We choose OK. So click on OK. And we click this arrow here in Firefox to show us the progress. We close the back window, and we just, very easy, we just go with all the defaults here. So click on continue, click continue again, click continue again, read the license, and if you agree with the license, then hit agree, and then just go with the defaults. Do not choose install on a specific disk. You want the natural defaults to decide where to install. So here we stick with the default, and we click install. Type in your Mac password. Click install software. It's configuring the packages. Installation was successful. Click on close. And now we click move to trash. Okay, so that completes the R installation. That's the requirement and the prerequisite to getting RStudio installed on your Mac. So now we're going to proceed to install RStudio. And in order to do that, you go to www.rstudio.com website. Okay, so from here you notice the URL points to www.rstudio.com's website, but as I navigate through their website, the address up here will change. So if you ever get lost, refer to where you would need to type in the URL in the browser to get to the specific location where we need to install the RStudio. So what I do is I just go to products, I go to RStudio, and notice it's already changed to .com/products/RStudio. Okay, so you can type that and you can get to the same location as well. And then from here, I cursor down. Okay, so now what you want to do, you want to hit the RStudio desktop. You want to hit download RStudio desktop. Now, at this point, just pay attention. You're at www.rstudio.com/products/RStudio/download. So that's the page that you need to get to. And from here, you can cursor down. You can scroll down the page to where you get to installer supported for supported platforms. So you want to click on the RStudio 1.2.1335 Mac OS X 10.12. This is the 64-bit. So we click on that. That starts the download. What should Firefox do with this file? Open with disk image mounter is the default. You click on OK. And now that's going to be down. Now it's downloaded. So now it's opening the RStudio .dmg file for the Mac. You can see it in here. And to make this easier to see, I'm going to minimize this major web page here by clicking the yellow minimize button. And put this center that. Okay, so now what we want to do, we want to grab the RStudio.app and drag it into the applications folder. And it's copying the RStudio to the applications folder. Once the RStudio app is downloaded into the applications folder, we can simply just scroll down from the applications folder. If you want to get to the applications folder, you just hit go, applications. Okay. So now what we want to do is scroll down to where it says rstudio.app, and we just want to open that. So we double clicked it. And here you can see it bouncing on the bottom, and it's verifying the RStudio app, and it should be opening momentarily. RStudio is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? And here we just say open. So now what we have is a nice clean install of RStudio. And in our next video, we'll show you how to use the RStudio environment for learning R. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you. And please subscribe and let your friends know about it. We hope to have a lot more informative data science and front-end development related videos coming soon.